Former Chief Minister Biren today engaged in war of words with Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma. In a fresh political flare-up, former Manipur Chief Minister Biren lashed out at Conrad Sangma and accused the latter of meddling in internal matters of Manipur, while also alleging that Conrad Sangma is using the situation in Manipur for political posturing. Biren also posted an old video of late P.A. Sangma, the father of Conrad Sangma, where P.A. Sangma had propagated the creation of smaller states in northeast on ethnic lines during a speech in Lok Sabha way back in 2014. While terming idea as dangerous and threat to unity of nation, Biren said similar attempts have been made to interfere in Manipur's internal affairs to destabilize Manipur. In the post on X, Biren also highlighted that the present crisis is not political at its core. It stems from a complex mix of challenges: the drug menace, illegal immigration, destruction of forests, and the systematic pursuit of power by select groups. He asserted that Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma should know that the violence was not spontaneous. It was instigated by those who feel threatened and insecure by this kind of progress. Further, Biren also maintained that Manipur is home to 32 indigenous tribes whose identities, cultures, and way of life deserve protection, while urging to refrain from encouraging illegal immigrants or interfering in matters that threaten this delicate balance. Biren wrote, "People of Manipur have endured enough. Let us live in peace." Meanwhile, responding to Biren's post, Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma also took to X and expressed disappointment over dredging P.A. Sangma into the matter. He said his father, P.A. Sangma, always fought for the people of Northeast, their rights and issues. Conrad further maintained that everyone should work towards restoration of peace and harmony in Manipur and not indulge in political posturing. Remember, viewers, in November 2014, Conrad Sangma led National People's Party (NPP) had withdrawn support to Biren-led BJP government in Manipur. Conrad Sangma had clearly stated that his party had withdrawn support to Biren-led government and not to NDA.